Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have right here. This is a cookie jar set, I guess is what it says. It says it is by ComSaf, ComSaf. I guess it's a cookie jar set. So let's see how this looks. So let me open it up. It's got label stickers, so we can label it cookies or what type of cookies we have. Let's see if we can get this out of the box. Comes very well packed, that's for sure. It's almost like it's upside down. Did I open it up? No, I didn't open it up upside down. Okay, so here is our jar here. Let me see what else we have in here. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I think I have everything taken out at this point. Okay, so we have a nice glass jar. You can see it needs a little bit of cleaning, but that I can handle. So there's that. It comes with a lid right there, and it's got the little rubber gasket on it, so it'll seal it in there, so that's nice to have. And then we have a little measuring cup. I guess if we were to put stuff in there, like if we wanted to store like flour or something like that in there, we could store the measuring cup in there with it. If we didn't want to just put cookies in there, I'm going to be putting probably cookies in there because I like to make cookies. So that would be in there. And then we have a little tongs. So that's nice to have too. So when my kids or friends are taking out some cookies out of this thing, they can not get their little grubby paws all over everything. So there's that. Sticking everything inside. And then we have our labels. So we could put a label on there and nice black. It's like a vinyl sticker kind of thing. So it's not just paper. And we can put that on there and just say, cookies or whatever we want. So we're gonna write on it with like a silver Sharpie or something like that, and I can just write what I want. So pretty cool, nice little glass jar set here. And is there anything else I need to say about it? No, it's a gallon. It looks like it's a gallon glass cookie jar set of 1. So that's what you get. So nice little set. I like it. Thumbs up for sure. Really nice. Really looks good.